Hi everyone, and this is our new activity which is based on animals. And literally, I have like not prepared it at all, and whatever I had in my stock, I've just taken out everything and I have just assembled it and recreated a new activity. So, I had these coloring pages which I've put them on the floor. So, the first activity is just place these sheets on the floor, and then Vivan has to identify the animal names, and then he has to recognize the sounds, and after that he has to place the alphabet on top of the page. So like this he has to figure out all the 8 names, and then we will place the alphabets. The second way of doing the same thing is like you can segregate the 8 animals into their bifurcations like desert, water, pet, and jungle. So you can categorize them, and then the third way of doing it is you can use dot markers, you can use your crayons, you can paint, or you can do any different kind of stamping, put stickers. So you can do a lot of things with your drawing pages, and this is what we plan to do with these 8 pages which I've put here for animals. Our next stuff is the set of puzzles which I have, which is based on animals. So we have panda, and we have these four pet animals. So this is like we only have the silhouette here, so he needs to figure out and then put reassemble it and put it like this here. Okay, yeah, so this is our puzzle section. So the basic idea of doing this activity is that throughout the week we understand and learn about animals, and I really wanted to take the stock of what I have at home, and if I could use everything and without buying or without taking any prints or without scratching my head, like making a new activity, because it's like 10 days of summer vacations now. So that's what I've done. Whatever I had, I've just picked it up and made a new activity. Okay, our third section is like the book section. So we have one giant panda book here which we'll read, and then we have wipe and clean books by Ashbourne 123. So the whole book is like on animals, and it's about tracing and counting. So we'll be doing this, and then we have the mums and baby names. So all the mamas are here, from sheep, horse, whale, deer, frog, and all the baby animals are right here. So we will learn them. And after that we have a little crafty activity which is the puppet making. So I have assembled it here, and I will remove it and help Vivan to recreate it. And we will use the glue, and we'll try and recreate the lion as he's the king of the jungle. Yes, and our next activity, guys, is this number fun. So we have these colored shapes of numbers. So I will remove all of them, and I will ask him to place all the ones, and then two, and then three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine in a series back into the box. And then we'll try and figure out that I will ask him like, Vivan, this is 7, but do you think this animal is looking like a crocodile? And I'll ask him rather, what is it looking like? And then let me see where is his imagination going. So that's another one. And then we have little fun stuff with the foam stickers I had, and it's very simple. So here we are learning like big and small. So we have a big tiger and a small tiger. So I will remove these, and I will ask him to choose, and then he has to match the babies and mamas. So all the mamas are here, and then he has to pick up the babies and he has to put them in the right place. Yeah, so that's one. The next one is it's a simple matching activity of like tiger and tiger. This will be removed and this will be removed. So like this he has to match this. So this section is matching, and this section is then pattern matching and pattern making. So the first line is we have a big lion and a baby lion, and then a big lion again, and then we have a baby lion. So this will be removed, and this one he has to then put a zebra, and this one he has to then place a baby giraffe. Yes, so that's how we'll finish this activity. So to go forward, we have another very interesting activity here, which is, so I have these foam cutouts, and they have this little place here. So I have put this matchstick here, and it's very easy to put in here. So either he can put it like this, which is like halfway through, or if he wants to put the full thing here, and so this will look like this. So I think he'll really enjoy this, and it will be a new thing for his fine motor skills. Okay, so moving forward, we have another activity which is like a 3-letter word. So I have these different pictures of all the animals here, and we'll try and read the words. So it's a COW, and then phonetics, and then we'll try and recreate the word here. So that's one, and then our counting zone is just right here. So we have our dolphins, butterflies, and dinosaurs. And here I have written join the dots and paste. So he has to join the dots and make 4, 5, and 6, and then he has to paste the dolphins, butterflies, and dinosaurs. And then I had these paper plates earlier where we did some activity, and there I had already written 4 and 3. So now he has to just pick up 3 tigers and he has to put it here, and 4 zebras in here. That's it. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.